If you hear a gurgling sound from your heating system, it may be time to vent it. Start by turning off the heat pump. Then cut the power to the heat pump and remove the service hatch. Attach the vent tubes to the lower vent valves, as well as to the valve on top of the heat pump. Open the valves until the water flows out smoothly. The system may need to be refilled in order to remove all air. Keep in mind that the vent tubes must be emptied of water before the air can disappear. So keep the vent valves open. Finally, make sure that you have the correct pressure in the system.